Alright, it's that time of year again. It is mid-October, around mid-October. It's October 9th night. And in the morning, it's going to be 35. It's getting down lower tonight. So I decided, and it's actually kind of early to be doing that. The weather's been all over the place. But anyways, it's supposed to get down cold tonight, and I just wanted to turn this on because we haven't used it yet this season. The last time was like March, obviously. That's when we last used it. I don't really record the final startups of the furnace as much as I do the final startups of the air conditioner. But yeah, we're here in October. It's October 9th. I'm going to try to head out for defrosting, which this will be the earliest I have ever started heating season. Well, actually, yeah, that's true, and definitely the earliest I've ever started defrost season. Like, this is crazy early to be starting that. We wouldn't normally start that until like November or even December. I mean, last year was December, and that was 2022 as well, or yeah, 2022 and 2023. And 2023, that was like late November, so it's later. I was lucky to catch it on there on November 6th, in 2021. But now 2025, it is really much later, a lot. So yeah. So I'm gonna be doing this. This is the first time it's gonna be running all year. Hopefully I can find a Bryant logo on one of the units and pull it off and take it and put it on my air conditioner, snap it on the front of it, or so I can stick that Bryant logo back on the furnace, because it hasn't had it in years, and I just kind of want to get it back on there again. So yeah, I'll find a logo. And I don't know if this is gonna be my last heating season here, but maybe it will be, maybe it won't, I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to start up this furnace, and this is just a test run. We'll start it up and shut it down and stuff. I'll check the gas and all that. It's a little cooler outside, so it's always gonna feel cold like that. I'll check all the vents, of course. Like the bathroom, you know the vents, right? And that extra one that I added. I'll check all those, check their temperatures, make sure they're warm. Do all that. But yeah, first run of the season, I am turning it on, and tomorrow morning I'm gonna be going out. So yeah, let's get it going. Stuck it in the back so you can hear the blower better. Let me go get. I'll just leave that light on for the video. It's fine. Okay, but there we go. It's running. time in the 2025-2026 heating season. Vent's not, the air duct is not warm yet, but it will be. That's just the return, so it's not doing anything yet. Here's this thing. This vent thing or whatever that the water heater also connects to. It's a ventilation thing that the inducer fan also messes with. But yeah, it's running. Filter's right here. Where's that indicator? There's the gas switch. See those things just heating away in there. Like jet rocket engines in there. May 12th, or May of 2012, 2 months before the outdoor air conditioner was manufactured. And okay, so this is just a 3-ton, but up here it still says 19th week of 2012. That's May, but this says the model number says CNPVP 30, which is 2.5 ton. Confused. Is this a 3-ton or 2.5 ton? I don't know. I definitely know the outdoor one is 2.5. That's for sure. But yeah. And this gas, yeah, you can see all those stats if you want. Anyways, on. Just back on here. And this panel gives me trouble. This panel always figures out some sort of way to give me trouble. Whatever. I got it. But yeah. I'm going to let my mom know that I'm going to be checking out the vents, and we'll do so. So yeah. Alright, so here we are with the, starting off in the basement guest bathroom. First thing, let's check our temp. Right there. Let's give it a second to calibrate. Honestly, it doesn't get that good of a reading. There's not too much air in this vent. It's not gonna get that great of a reading, but that's fine. That's doing well. I can feel it. But yeah, let's check out the other basement over here. Across the ceiling instead. And this one, you can feel it. This one is good. Use this. Let's get a reading right here. See what sort of stuff we can get. It may not read it that well though. That's the thing. Actually, I'm gonna get, hold on. Let me get a different thermometer. I got another one. This one's better. And this has been running for a longer time, so. Stupid glare. Alright, you can see it better now. 93, 95, 97, 99. That is some pretty good air. Very nice, very nice. I'm not gonna keep going with it, but yeah, you get it. Let's go over here to this one. This one is good too. This one's transferring the heat well. Yep. Let's go to the upstairs living room. Now I'm only going to be doing this one in the bathroom. The only other one is the special one. Right, they're not doing the back. I'm going to the kitchen. So actually, I'll do. You know what? I'll do. The one I'm skipping is the foyer. So but yeah, this one is probably going to be crazy high. Oh yeah. Look at how high that's going up. This fan always feels the best. This one is the one that's closest, I think. So it's the reason why it's so powerful. Oh my god, 131. This is like if you're in Death Valley, California. Desert. 133, final cap. That is very, very good. I'm glad after 13 years it's still working. Let's migrate over to the special vent. See the pressure changes. So here's this vent over here. I'm gonna get this one now. This is my special one that is coming up on a year old, but not quite. I read it. It certainly feels good. I love this vent. I'm so proud of what I did there. And it actually does. It is actually doing a pretty good job. Yeah, I remember when I built this. I was just so proud of it. 115. Yeah. And the duct is warm too. So 117. You got it. It's doing well. So yeah, last one on this floor. 104 so far. This method. Video out because most of that was just in the dark, just measuring, so that's why. But here's the office one. We are now on the upstairs, so yeah. This one is okay. 106, 109, 111, 13. This one feels very nice. I love this one. This one feels good. Make our way over my room. I do that one. So here's my room. Just stick this in here. Oh, can't let that metal be touching it. Alright, 17. You could see it. Man, it's so hot. It's doing good though. I think this thing is gonna last. The heat part works great. The air conditioning this summer, a little bit. I mean, we had it checked on. I never ended up posting that one, by the way. I feel like it was too much. $124 seems like we're capping out. I hope my camera doesn't overheat. But it probably won't. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Bathroom right here. $111. Oh yeah, this camera's getting kind of hot. I gotta take it outside pretty soon. I'll show you the thermostat and then we'll go. 117, I'm just gonna leave it there. We're gonna explore the master bedroom. This one is very wide, so this should do a good job. 106. I'll tell you when I'll actually edit it. It feels very good. This is the end unit. $113. $115. Anyways, yeah. Not gonna wait here too long. I got other stuff to do. But yeah. Thermostat time. So right now I will set it back. Not keeping it at 81. I'm gonna set it to 78. It's just to keep it on for the video. I just put it to 81. It's currently 78 inside right now.
I mean, if you, like I said, if you're still making your video, you can leave it on for a few more minutes or whatever.
Yeah, I got it. Actually, I might set it to 80. It doesn't need to be that crazy, because I'm ending it soon.
It actually looks pretty good.
But yeah, heat on.
Smaller is better.
It's auto. But yeah, let's go check on the outside. I'm gonna get my flashlight ready. It's a little cooler. And actually, I have a little surprise for you when we get outside, so yeah. Oh, never mind. So, the surprise was the fact that this air conditioner on the other side of this fence right here, the train aka, was running just a few minutes ago. It has since turned off like it should be, but it was running just a little bit ago, which is, you know, kind of interesting. The gas meter these days is very hard to get to, but I will make my efforts and make it happen. I'm so sorry. There's slugs. Slug season. I don't like when it's around. And there's lantern flies in October. Great, of course. But here it is. It's very overgrown. Wow, that is kind of slippery right there. But you can see that needs to be cleaned. You can read all your information on there. Coming in. It's holds up pretty well. We're still doing well, relatively well on energy. That's a dog, not a car screeching. Oh god. Sorry. And my air conditioner may be on for at some points of the year. The moon is now in its waning phase, because it was full on Tuesday. Now it's Thursday and it's waning, so it's a waning gibbous right now. But here's my air conditioner that is now not in operation, and well, it will be on another warm day, but it's October. This particular October is very, very all over the place and wonky. I'm gonna have to undo the hose so it doesn't freeze, because I don't want that to freeze. But yeah, I'm no longer planning to get a washing machine, by the way, just because I just don't want to deal with that anymore. But yeah, there is still. Remember that one day it was like 32 and the first day of spring? It was like super cold. This is what this feels like, honestly. But yeah, that's all. I mean, I kind of want to stay out here. It's nice and cool after being inside the warm all the time. So yeah. But yeah, let's see if I can shine my flashlight directly onto the moon. No, there's no way. The sun is too overpowering to see it, or to show it up. I mean, have it show up. But yeah. Anyways. Yeah. Plane right there. But yeah, let's go inside and shut it down. Thank you for watching, and over and out.